Welcome to your future home in the highly sought-after Woodlands at Far Oaks, located within the O'Fallon District 90 and OTHS boundaries. With over 3,000 square feet above grade, this spacious property offers 9-foot ceilings, an open floor plan, and a rare 3-car garage. Step outside to a fenced backyard with a patio, perfect for relaxing evenings or weekend entertaining. Inside, the Eden kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a large butterfly island with seating and plenty of prep space. The supersized family room is a showstopper, with a wall of windows and a cozy gas fireplace, complemented by a formal sitting room and dining area. Upstairs, you'll find a massive primary suite with a huge walk-in closet and private ensuite, plus 3 more bedrooms, a full bath, and a large loft, ideal for a home office, study nook, or game room. The basement offers even more potential with a bathroom, rough-in, egress window, and room to grow. Take the 3D walkthrough online, then schedule your private showing today.